Hypothyroidism is a very common disease in this country. About 1.5 to 2% of women and 0.2% of men suffer from this disease. Up to 10% of women above the age of 65 suffer from this disease. This disease occurs when the thyroid gland does not secrete sufficient thyroxine. This may occur because the gland is deficient, the gland does not function properly, or it is not stimulated properly by thyroid stimulating hormone secreted by the pituitary. The symptoms of hypothyroidism include obesity, fatigue, muscle and joint pain, increase in heart rate, intolerance of cold, etc. The conventional treatment for this disease consists of lifelong medication with synthetic thyroxine. There is no cure in the conventional medicine for this condition. In fact, the synthetic thyroxine, which is supplied from outside, renders the gland more inactive. Since the hormone is supplied from outside, the gland becomes lazy. In homeopathy, there are excellent medicines for curing hypothyroidism. There are no specific medicines which can cure every patient, and every patient gets the medicine he needs based on the signs and symptoms of the patient. Prominent among the homeopathic medicines are calcarea carb, sepia, lycopodium, graphitis, nox vomica, thyroidinum, iodine, bromine, etc. The calcarea carb patient is fair, fatty, flabby, and sweats profusely from her head. She suffers from excessive menstruation with cold feet. She loves salt and boiled egg. The calcarea carb patient may also suffer from obesity and susceptibility to cold. The sepia patient is also chilly. She is lachrymose, that means she cries very easily. The sepia patient also suffers from various menstrual problems like excessive menstruation or amenorrhea. She may suffer from loss of hair. The sepia patient doesn't like much salt. She loves acids and pickles. The graphitis patient is obese. He suffers from constipation and skin disease. The graphitis patient is depressed. He cries easily from listening to music. The nox vomica patient is also chilly. Nox vomica patient is irritable, angry, short-tempered. He is oversensitive to external impressions. He is easily offended. He suffers from constipation. There is frequent desire for stool without much evacuation. The nox vomica patient craves stimulants like alcohol, coffee, spicy food, and fatty food. The medicine that covers the most prominent and peculiar symptoms of the patient will cure him.